She might see the Maserati. She wanna put it on me, trying to show me her tsunami. She make it all the copy, always tight and never sloppy. Ain't got her entourage and her own paparazzi. Now that she going right through the stormy weather.
Cause I fall for you, but I love you.
Flex up, catch out, big man, whoa whoa. 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 Flex up, catch out, big man, whoa whoa.
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
And I say, hello Satan, I believe it's time to go. Me and the devil walking side by side.
But you already bought a ticket and there's no turning back now.
Keep your feet on the ground and move your head all around. You put your hands in the air and move with the sound. You need an earthquake.
Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup? He's not a problem, really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne, Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
No.
Toothless, come on. What's the matter with you? No, come on. What are you doing? Knock it off. Stop! Stop! Son! Dad!
We were wrong.
No!
Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty.
Not you! Not you! Not you!
Blood and diamond, beat, I be having together.